here backstage for the beautiful designer Shriya Som. Very excited about her collection tonight. We are showcasing it. And got my beautiful makeup done from none other than Sandy is right there somewhere in the creos. So as you see, my makeup is really fresh and nice, and I never knew this Sandy is so brilliant. This is the first time I'm working with him and I'm very delighted. He's an amazing makeup artist. He's done like minimal makeup on my face, but it still looks so pretty.
So we all are set for the show. I think you can see my outfit. We'll see you there.